Welcome back. I'll continue the next topic today is, before going to this topic, so I told you already trap command is completed in the previous class. Daemon process and also signals trap command is completed. Now in this class we want to discuss about STTY command. STTY command. So STTY command is mainly using for your terminal settings will be displayed. So if you are using what type of terminal, so shell prompt, that shell prompt settings will be displayed using STTY command. So STTY command in Linux or Unix is used to change and print the terminal settings. Print the terminal settings. I told you na. So print the terminal settings. It will be displayed using STTY command. Basically, this command shows that change terminal characteristics also. So whatever the changes are happened. So if you are typing the process, if you are typing the commands in the terminal, whatever it may be happened in the terminal. So after changes is happened, that characteristics only display using in the STTY command. Okay. So here the three things here. First one is STTY option device, file, device or settings. Okay. So STTY option device, file, device, again here A or all. Okay. All settings. Okay. Here device same, again file, device, G and global save. Okay. Globally entire settings will be saved. So these are the things are using in the STTY command. Okay. You can see that examples of the key, those keys. Control C is interrupt process. Control Z is stop process. Control D is end of the process. Control slash is quit from the process. I told you already. These are the shortcut keywords using to control the terminal settings. Using to control the terminal settings. So regularly we are using in the terminal these controls keywords. Okay. So control C, control Z, control D, control slash, all these are all using in the terminals. Okay. Terminal, you have to use all these shortcut keywords. Control C means interrupt the process. Control Z means to stop the process. Any process you can stop using control Z. Control D means end of the process. Control slash means quit from the process. These are the things are using in the process. Okay, terminal process. Okay. So now here example is, it will display the characteristics of the terminal. So suppose terminal characteristics will be displayed using how it is displayed. Just type STTY. STTY. How much speed your terminal, baud rate, how many lines you are using in the terminal. Okay. So some information will be displayed using in the just STTY, just enter it. STTY, just enter it. It will be display this kind of information. Okay. It means that it will be display the characteristics of the terminal. It will be display the characteristics of the terminal. Next, STTY all. STTY all. This option print all the current settings. Print all the current settings in human readable form. Print all the current settings. Whatever we will done in the terminal, so that things are displayed. Here STTY all option all we are using. STTY all. Here you can see na, all option all. So here, so option all means speed, again same rows, how many columns, how many lines. So in the program, what is data type you are using, what operators you are using, what things are using in the program. These all things are in your program things. Okay, human readable things. Human readable things are all this one will be displayed using stty all command. Stty all command. So the option is stty all is print the current settings of the human readable form. Okay, next stty g. I told you already stty g means here stty g means current settings in the readable form. Current settings in the readable form, not human readable. It is just a small readable form. Okay, so this option will be print all the current settings in the stty readable form. So here stty is option G. Stty option G. I told you here stty option G. Here stty option G. Save all settings. Here it will be displayed. This is the total single line. All the settings will be displayed on the screen. stty G. Okay. So this is next stty capital F. stty capital F also I told. Here stty capital F. The starting device is there. Okay. stty capital F. stty capital F is here. This option will be open and use the specified device. Open and use the specified device instead of std in. Open and use the specified device instead of std in. stty -f d device slash. Okay. See, it is the forward slash. Okay. stty dollar stty -d -f and d forward slash. So this is the stty command is using the option F. Okay. These are the things are. It is a small command, so it is very helpful for the process execution. So terminal settings we know that, then only the process will be easily controlled. So that's why here in this unit we have to include. Okay, thank you.